Ya, entonces tenemos este clon. This one here is a clone of everything that you've seen is only one tomato plant, and this is a clone of that tomato plant that I started, like, I can remember, like probably 2 weeks ago. I forgot about it and then I looked at it yesterday and it has a bunch of roots. Tiene un montón de raíces, if you can see. So it's time now to be transplanted, because if you look at the leaves, they're not very happy. So you protect the stem with a rock wool. Yeah, see? I managed to put some roots with the hole. Pasó un par de raíces por los hoyos, which is pretty good. Yeah, that's perfect. Perfecto. Poner las piedrecitas. Poner las piedritas de arcilla, que como ya dije, sirven para controlar la maleza, sirven para bloquear la luz, para darle aireación, estabilidad. So stability, with control, blocking the light, aeration, porosity, I guess, and also for your cat to play. Because the roots are already in the liquid, we need that room for oxygen. Because this is Kratky, not regular hydroponics where you have a pump to create the oxygen. En este caso, and this is the main importance of Kratky, when you already have the roots in the liquid, if you have the liquid over to the top, the roots will drown. Las raíces se ahogarían and la planta muere. So you need to leave that room, and in that space you're gonna have air roots that are gonna start growing, which are roots that absorb oxygen basically. Raíces que absorben oxígeno. Esas son las raíces que van a crecer en ese espacio, y siempre necesitas dejar ese espacio cuando las raíces ya están tocando el agua. On the first stage, if the roots are not touching the water, then you can go with the water to the top and even cover the net a little bit. Ya en la primera etapa, cuando las raíces no están tocando el agua, puedes subir si quieres y cubrir la malla con eso. Y also, this is the system that I use. I put some old socks or whatever. It's easier to move. Some people use cardboard like this also. So we'll usar carbón, cartón, calcetines, paint them, whatever you think is better to block the light. Okay, that's it for this. Thank you. Nos vemos, chao.